Want to learn TRACE3D Plus but don't know where to download it or how to install it? In this video, I will show you the complete process of downloading and installing the TRACE3D Plus trial version. The trial license is available for 30 days, which is more than enough time to learn the software and explore its features. Let's get started. First, copy the download link from the description and paste it into Google Chrome or any web browser. This will take you to the TRACE3D Plus download page. Once you are on the page, scroll down until you find the TRACE3D Plus trial version. The download option is available under trial download. The installer size is around 2 GB. So depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes to download. So click here. And it will take you to the folder location and just save it on the location and click save. Once the installer has been downloaded successfully, we will move on to the installation process. Now click on the file, double click, go to more info, select run anyway. Click yes and click on install. The TRACE3D Plus installation wizard is running now. It will take some time to install. Now you will land on TRACE3D Plus setup page. Click the next button. Select I accept and you can read or you can scroll down and then click next. And it will ask you enter the serial number. Since we are installing trial version, select install TRACE3D Plus. Click next. Here you can enter your name or the organization name and then click next. And again click next. And now click on the install button. Installation process will start and it will take some time to finish. Once the installation is complete, click on finish. Now go to the search, click trace and you will find the software TRACE3D Plus. Click on open. It will take you to the activation page. Click on continue with trial. That's it. The TRACE3D Plus is opening now. Once the trace file open, it will land on the home screen. And that's it. By clicking the plus button, you can start a project. In the next video, I will show you how to do the load calculation with a sample project. Don't miss that. I will be providing the sample file for practice as well. So see you on next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.